Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. Hello, Claire at French in the Midlands here. I've got a video for you about the use of tel versus tellement. Now this is for advanced learners, and the reason I made this is I had a few questions regarding when to use which one. So let me show you now. So the first one we're going to look at is tel. Now you can see there's several ways of spelling tel, whether it's masculine or feminine, and whether it's singular or plural. So for now, let's concentrate on the meaning. So the use of tel is actually quite posh, and it's very rare we'd use it in speech. It's more likely to be used in written texts. So the first meaning is such as or like. And to be honest, you can always replace it with comme when you speak, it's fine. So I've chosen an example for you. Il est tel un chien avec un os. Il est tel un chien avec un os. He is like a dog with a bone. You could always say il est comme un chien avec un os, it's fine. Second meaning is such. Again, it's posh. So the example I've got here, dans une telle situation, que faire? Dans une telle situation, que faire? In such a situation, what is there to do? I could always have said, dans une situation comme celle-là, que faire? It's fine. So the second word people struggle with is tellement. Now tellement is used in speech. It's not particularly posh or anything, so you will come across this one quite often. The first meaning of tellement is so. So I chose the sentence, c'est tellement vrai. It's so true. C'est tellement vrai. Second meaning is so much. Elle travaille tellement qu'elle n'a même pas le temps de sortir. Elle travaille tellement qu'elle n'a même pas le temps de sortir. She works so much, she hasn't even got time to go out. Finally, as a bonus, I'm giving you two set expressions using tel. And the reason I'm giving them to you now is because they are quite common in speech. The first one is tel quel, which means as it is or as it was. So you could say, j'ai tout laissé tel quel. J'ai tout laissé tel quel. I left everything as it was. It's quite a nice little shortcut, this is. And the second expression is rien de tel que, nothing like. So as an example, rien de tel qu'un bon repas. Rien de tel qu'un bon repas. There is nothing like a good meal. And that's it for now. I hope that makes sense now. And if you have any more questions, you could always email me at claire@frenchinthemidlands.com. For more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button or go to my website frenchinthemidlands.com. À bientôt!